Hey ATEEZ, hope you're doing good. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. I'm Dari, and I'm super excited because today I'm finally able to react to the collaboration between ATEEZ and Jong with their new songs Be My Lover and White Love. This reaction is pretty late, but I sadly couldn't react at all during the last week because I was a little bit sick, but I'm better now and I'm super excited to finally get to this. I was trying my best to avoid as many spoilers as I could for this, which wasn't easy since I follow a lot of ATEEZ on Instagram. And of course they all posted about this, but yeah, I tried my best to scroll everything away. And yeah, I'm super excited to finally hear the song and see the music video, so let's not talk too much longer and just get into this. Okay, let's start with the music video for Be My Lover, or I think the Korean title means Do You Wanna Go See the Sea or something like this. But yeah, let's get into this. I'm super excited. Let's turn this up. Yes, subtitles, please, and let's go! They all look so cute, oh my god. Ooh. Is this his voice? I can't place it on one of the ATEEZ members, so it must be his, right? They are really filming this on a sports field? These shots are super cool. This filming style is really unique. As always, I try not to pause too much, but I will probably fail, so yeah, this is your warning. Ugh. Their outfits, though. Oh my god, Mingy! Okay. No. I'm gonna keep playing, but I will go back to that because that looked beautiful. Oh my god. Minky! Okay, no, forget the thing about not pausing too much. Ugh. Who am I even fooling? Mingy looked so good in this outfit. They all look amazing. Son, what are you doing? Oh god, I'm trying so hard to focus on the lyrics, but they all look so cute. This is such a cool shot. Ah. Oh my god. I just saw Songwa's outfit. I like the sports shirts that... Is it Yosang? And Uyang, yeah. Have, but the jeans outfits from Songwa and Mingi San, not so much. I think it's a little bit too much of the same bright blue color. But dang. Also, this reminds me of Treasure, where they were also standing on a poolside. I'm sorry, I can't. He looks far too good in this. I'm having a mental breakdown already. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, no, I can't watch this. This is crazy. Why do they have to be so cute? I can handle the dark concepts, but no. Oh my god. Since Mingy is back, he's been bias wrecking me so hard again, and I knew this would happen because he was my first bias from ATEEZ until Songhwa quickly took over, but jeez. I'm back to 30 seconds into the song. How am I supposed to go through this whole thing? I'm so sorry, guys. This is probably unwatchable, but yeah. He's so cute as well. Their outfits are so cool. Oh. Cute. Aww. I love the choreo. Oh. Usan is so cute. Oh god. Okay. Pause! No, it didn't pause. Did Hongjun just kick me in the face? That shot was too much. Wooyoung and Sun are so cute together. This is so adorable. Jeez! So wait, I didn't even notice that was Songhwa. Where the hell am I? I'm clearly not focusing on this video. What the heck? So we really got all three of them rapping in this? This is amazing. This is a dream come true for me. Rap line Songhwa. Yes. My prayers have been heard. Okay. That's Mingy, yeah. Yeah, that's Songhwa, wow. Okay, one more time because I need to focus on the lyrics, but wow. Their voices really transition so smoothly into each other. I did recognize the switch between Mingy and Hongjun. But then Hongjun into Songhwa? What? Alright. Okay. Oh my god. The flames. Oh. He has a really beautiful voice. Ooh, yeah. Oh my god. The TikTok dances really... Oh my god. How is he so cute?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I think my brain is just starting to comprehend how dangerous this new rap line of ATEEZ will be for me. Because those three are all my biases and bias records. It's mainly always been those three. And I think I said it before in one of my other ATEEZ videos, but I've used to always bias rappers, and Songwa was one of the very little exceptions. But I guess I always knew that he would be part of the rap line as well someday. Oh god, this is already far too long, but yeah, I'm dead. I don't know. I really don't know. Oh. I'm dying, guys. Oh my god. This seems like a really good workout choreo. Ooh, yes, sing it, Jong. That was, wow, that's such a beautiful shot. Okay, one last pause, because that high note was everything, and those three are everything. And these outfits are everything. And the shot is everything, I'm sorry. I hate myself even more now that I know I love this so much and I had to wait a whole week to watch it. The reflections in the pool look so gorgeous. Beautiful. Okay. Trying to survive. Trying to survive. This high note! Oh! He keeps going! I love this concept! Aww. I don't know what to say about this. This whole thing absolutely destroyed me. And this is already so long. I wanted to do the second song of the album as well, but... oh yeah, come on, let's just do it. Alright, let's get into White Love from Kim Jong-kook and ATEEZ, and at least this one doesn't have a music video, so at least I can focus a little bit more on their voices. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. The first one already absolutely killed me. Let's see what this is about. Okay. Okay, I get it now why the English title of the album is Season Songs. We had the summer song. This is definitely a winter Christmas song, which fits the title White Love, I guess, with snow and everything. And then on the album also we have Black Cat Nero, which obviously is a Halloween song. I'm so glad the song is finally on Spotify. Okay, this is gonna be interesting. I'm absolutely not in the Christmas vibe, but we'll see. Okay. Ooh, this has a really jazzy feel to it. Wow, it's very chill. That's interesting. Yes, oh my god. I love Songwhat's voice so much. Cute! I really don't know what to think about this. This is so interesting. Like, I mean, we've had so many songs that are different from ATEEZ's usual style. I can't even say if they have a usual style anymore. They're just trying out everything. And it's super interesting. I'm not sure if I'm completely vibing with it, but it's definitely interesting. Come on, Mingy, let's go.
서서히 녹여줄 그대여 내 눈이 돼주어요 말을 해야지 항상 변함없을 우리 사랑을 만들 거야 Oh my love 하얀 눈꽃처럼 아름답게 또 많은 사람 만들어서 우리 이름을 써놓고 혹시 녹아서 없어진대도 널 사랑할 거라고 하늘을 봐 하얗게 눈이 내려와 하나만 눈이 나비가 날아다니듯 하얀 눈구성이 세상이 온통 하얗게 옷을 갈아입고 있어
The jazz feeling is so interesting. Beautiful. Beautiful, Jingho. Wow. Interesting. I gotta say, out of all the 3 songs on this album, I think this is my least favorite. But just because I think it's a song that I think the mood has to fit. Like, I could imagine myself sitting in a cafe in winter, like it's snowing outside and you're just sitting on the inside drinking hot chocolate or a cafe or something. Yeah, this would be a situation where I could definitely feel myself vibing to the song. But other than that, I'm not sure. But maybe it's just because I'm not the biggest fan of jazz music. And I'm also not the biggest fan of winter Christmas songs. This wasn't really about Christmas, more like winter in general, but yeah, I'm not sure. But the other song, Be My Lover, I will need to watch this 1,000 times more. But yeah, that's it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed this very chaotic reaction. I have no clue if this is somewhat watchable. But yeah, if you did enjoy this, then please give this a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this stuff in the future, then maybe subscribe. And I hope we'll see each other in one of my next videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye!